Imagine trading a 40,000 pound a year career as a UK doctor, the dream job, to chase the unknown and build a multi-million-dollar empire. Meet Ali Abdaal. By age 26, he was already a millionaire. Now at 31, he's a productivity YouTuber with over 6 million subscribers. But YouTube was just one part of the puzzle that is his passive income machine. So how did Ali turn a side hustle into a life-changing fortune? And what drove him to leave the safety of medicine for the unpredictable world of online entrepreneurship? In this video, we'll uncover the blueprint he used to achieve financial freedom and the lessons that might just change your life. Ali Abdaal had big dreams, even as a teenager. Not the kind of dreams society expects from a straight-A student, but dreams of freedom, the kind you can't buy with a 9-to-5 paycheck. He wanted to travel the world, learn music, pick up new languages, and work on his own terms. His vision of success was simple: live a happy life, untethered by the grind. But achieving that vision, it wasn't going to be easy. At just 9 years old, Ali immigrated from Pakistan to the UK with his mom and younger brother. His mom, a single parent and a doctor, worked tirelessly to provide for her kids. Resources were stretched thin, and Ali quickly learned that hard work wasn't optional. It was survival. But here's where the story takes a turn. Ali had access to an unexpected source of inspiration: his mom's doctor friends. They drove fancy cars, lived in posh houses, and threw the kind of birthday parties that scream success. Ali soaked it all in. He asked questions, picked their brains, and discovered a common formula for wealth: work hard as a doctor, earn as much as possible, and invest in real estate. By the time they retired at 60, these doctors had their nest egg secured. It sounded like the perfect plan. Ali followed the blueprint. He got into medical school, worked tirelessly, and started his career as a doctor. But then, something shifted. During his medical training, he came across a book that changed everything. The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. The idea of reaching financial freedom before retirement, of designing a life rather than settling for one, planted a seed in his mind. Why wait until 60 to live your dream life? The cracks in the doctor's plan became impossible to ignore during his internship. Many of the senior doctors, the ones he had looked up to, were deeply unhappy. Despite their outward success, they admitted that if they were financially free, they'd leave medicine in a heartbeat. Why? Because they were trapped. Years of grueling medical training had left them too invested, financially, emotionally, and socially, to walk away. Their big salaries funded even bigger mortgages, luxury cars, private school tuition, and a lifestyle that left no room for failure. Quitting wasn't an option. Ali saw the writing on the wall. He didn't want to climb a ladder that led to misery. So he took a page from Charlie Munger's playbook. Learn from other people's mistakes. He loved medicine, but he wanted to practice it on his own terms, not chained to insane schedules or financial pressure. Ali realized he needed a new path, one that didn't rely on medicine as his sole source of income. He wanted to build something he'd wake up excited about every single day, something that would give him the freedom to live life on his terms. The question was, how? Lucky for Ali, the entrepreneurial bug bit him early. At just 13, while most teenagers were busy figuring out high school drama, Ali launched his first venture as a freelance web designer on getacoder.com. It was his first taste of making money online, and there was no turning back. Between 14 and 19, Ali wasn't idle. He built a private tutoring business that evolved as he did, starting at a mere £4 an hour and skyrocketing to £15 an hour by the time he was 19. Every gig was a stepping stone, every lesson a piece of his future empire. At 19, he upped the ante with a digital product called 6Med, a course designed to help aspiring med students crack the entry exam. The results were nothing short of explosive. The first year brought in £10,000, the second soared to £80,000, and by the third year, revenue hit £150,000, with Ali pocketing around 30% of that windfall. Then came the pivot. In 2017, at the age of 23, Ali shifted gears and embraced content creation, launching the YouTube channel that would redefine his career. Originally conceived as a marketing channel for his medical school entry course, his channel gradually morphed into something far more potent. As his med school videos struggled to capture massive attention, Ali began experimenting, dipping into everything from quirky singing sessions with friends to even magic trick videos, until he struck gold with a focus on productivity. As he transitioned from student to full-time doctor, time became his fiercest competitor. Recognizing the need to reclaim his schedule, Ali started documenting his journey to peak productivity. That pivot not only rescued his channel, but rebranded him as the ultimate productivity guru. Today, with over 6 million subscribers, his influence is undeniable. But why is building an audience so critical? Because it gives you your own legion of fans, millions of eyeballs ready to absorb everything you create and every product you launch. In 2020, Ali leveraged this power with the launch of the Part-Time YouTuber Academy. Designed for people juggling full-time jobs and YouTube dreams, the course was a runaway success, raking in $282,414 at launch, then soaring to $2,050,000 in 2021, and bringing in another $1,759,238 in 2022. And Ali didn't stop there. He diversified his portfolio by investing in shares and properties, and he's constantly testing new products, from innovative gadgets like his signature mechanical keyboard to his book, Feel Good Productivity, which dropped in December 2023. So how did Ali build his multi-million-dollar empire? By building an audience and then leveraging that audience to market a suite of products, both digital and physical, while reinvesting any extra cash into ETFs and real estate. His core advice is simple but powerful. If you want financial freedom, start your own business and adopt a strong bias toward action. You don't master business by reading textbooks or watching videos. You learn by doing. Action is the foundation. Learning is the fuel that propels you forward. He also emphasizes that making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. It took him 13 years of relentless side hustles to hit his first million. From zero income between ages 13 to 19, to earning an average of 10,000 pounds a year at 19 to 20, scaling to 100,000 pounds a year between 21 and 25, and then pulling in a cool 1 million pounds per year at 26. The key is consistency. Once you start down the path, you must keep going. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you stick to the grind over the long haul? How do you make the hustle not just bearable, but fun? The answer is simple. Maximize your productivity. And who better to learn from than the productivity maestro himself? Now get ready. Ali's game-changing insights from Feel Good Productivity are about to become your blueprint for building the life you've always dreamed of. In Feel Good Productivity, Ali Abdaal shatters the myth that success demands endless suffering. Drawing on a decade of deep dive research, he reveals that relentless hard work isn't the secret sauce. Instead, it's all about making your work feel good. His central idea is simple yet revolutionary. When you feel good, you generate energy, and that energy fuels your productivity. In other words, it's not that success makes you happy, it's that feeling good is what drives success. Ali breaks this down into 3 core principles. Play. Transform your work into a game or adventure. When you see work as play, the journey becomes fun, reducing stress and shifting your focus from outcomes to enjoying the process. Power. Embrace your own empowerment. Recognize that you're in charge of your decisions and that your confidence isn't fixed. It can grow with each action you take. Taking control of your life is the first step toward making work enjoyable. People. Surround yourself with those who lift you up. Seek out collaborators and friends who amplify your energy rather than competitors who drain it. When you build a team of like-minded comrades, the collective momentum makes even the toughest challenges feel achievable. Ultimately, Ali's blueprint is about flipping the script. If you can make work feel good, you unlock a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle that not only boosts your productivity, but also sets you up for success, be it through multiple income streams or a more fulfilling life overall. This isn't an exhaustive list of all the productivity tactics in Ali's book, but it's just a taste. If you want to stay at the top of your game and maximize your productivity to build passive income streams, all while still holding down a 9-to-5, then I highly recommend grabbing a copy of Feel Good Productivity by Ali Abdaal. And if you're aiming for financial freedom well before your 60s, follow in Ali's footsteps and dive into the 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. If you decide to pick up these books, please use the links in this video's description. We earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support this channel. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly insights on success, investments, and personal finance. And if you like this one, you're going to love the next video we've handpicked just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.